Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to talk about how to start the PLS analysis. The first step, the very first step that you need to do when you're starting your PLS analysis. So when you're starting your analysis and you're about to begin a project, the first thing that you need to do is click on this icon over here that is called new project. Now, immediately it would give you a window where you need to enter a new dialogue, new name for your project. So I'm going to give this project name a tutorial because I'm going to use this project as tutorial. So this is what my project name would be. So this is my tutorial. Okay, now as soon as you do this, you will see that a project will be created and it has two little icons over here. Double click to import the data, and then we have this tutorial icon over here. These are the two things that you're going to notice. Now the first thing that you have to do is double click the icon and import the data here. So the point is, like, what kind of data can be imported into this project? There are different kind of formats that are possible. You can enter your data in form of text file. You can import it in form of a CSV file. I usually prefer importing it in CSV file because it gives me more control over my data, and I know exactly what's going into different columns that I have. So what can be different things that where can we go wrong? That's what I'm going to show you here. Now let's have a look at this Excel file over here. It's perfectly coded. All the responses, all the answers are in number, and it's this file is ready to go into my SPL, my SmartPLS. So now I'm going to click on double click, and I'm going to choose a file from a folder where I have saved my CSV file. It's over here. All right, so this is the name of the file, and that's how it's appearing over here. You can change the file. I collected some data related to the YouTube ad avoidance, and this is what the data is about. Now, look at this situation over here. The file is uploaded, but it's showing a lot of errors. It's saying that the indicator is not unique, and there are a lot of errors in all of those zero lines. Now, why do I have this kind of error? I'll show you. Now, look at this file that I was trying to upload. It has all the data coded, but if you look into the first row over here, the questions are not converted into the variable names. So a lot of my variables, they have more than one word, they have sentences, and they have the phrases or the words that are repeating. So that is the reason why it is giving me an error. Now, I'll show you another file now where this problem has been resolved. Now, if you look at this one, I don't have any such error anymore. All the columns have the header that has, like, this is the only one where I have this error. I'll change that. I'll make it frequency or something else, or I'll choose a file where even this problem has been resolved. I have a file here. I'll show you that file. Now, this is the one. If you look at this file over here, yep. Now, this file, it has all the column headers that are just one word. So if I will upload this file, it would not give me any errors. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to upload this file now, and it won't give me any other error. Now I'll keep my cursor on this one of the two files over here, right click, and then I'll click on import data file. It's going to the same folder. I'm choosing this file, YouTube PLS data with outliers. And here we go. It's still the same name. Now look at it. Now same file, same data. The only change that I made was the row headers, and everything came out nice and fine. As soon as I import my data, SmartPLS calculates the descriptive statistics for all the items that you have in that file. It would give you any missing value that you have. It would give you the mean, it would give you median, minimum, maximum values, standard deviations, excess kurtosis, and skewness. So these are the things that you get as soon as you import your data file. Some of the research work requires us to report the descriptives of the items that we have there. I'll cover that point in my next video. For this video, importing data into the SmartPLS, that was my objective, and that's where we are ending this video. See you in the next